Best online resources for learning a new skill. In today's world, learning a new skill is more accessible than ever before. With the advancement of technology, the internet provides a plethora of online resources for individuals who want to learn new skills or enhance their existing ones. Whether it's cooking, programming, or playing an instrument, online learning platforms offer a range of courses and tutorials to help you achieve your goals. In this video, we will explore some of the best online resources for learning a new skill. Identify your learning style. Before diving into any learning platform, it's important to identify your learning style. Understanding how you learn best will help you find the right online resource that suits your needs. There are three primary learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Visual learners prefer to see and observe, while auditory learners learn best through listening. Kinesthetic learners, on the other hand, learn through hands-on experience. Knowing your learning style will help you choose the right resource to maximize your learning. Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a free online learning platform that offers courses in math, science, humanities, and programming. The platform features short, easy-to-follow video tutorials that cover a wide range of subjects. Khan Academy is an excellent resource for anyone looking to improve their understanding of core subjects or learn something new. Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses in various fields, including business, technology, and personal development. The platform features both paid and free courses, and learners can choose courses based on their learning goals and budget. Udemy courses are created and taught by experts in their fields, and learners can access the courses anytime, anywhere. Coursera. Coursera is a massive open online course (MOOC) platform that offers courses from top universities and organizations worldwide. The platform offers a wide range of courses, including programming, data science, and business. Coursera courses are self-paced, and learners can earn a certificate upon completion. The platform also features specializations that allow learners to dive deeper into a particular subject. Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform that offers courses in creative fields, such as art, design, and photography. The platform features a range of short, easy-to-follow video tutorials that are taught by experts in their fields. Skillshare is an excellent resource for individuals who want to explore their creative side and learn new skills in a fun and engaging way. Conclusion. In conclusion, learning new skills has never been easier thanks to online learning platforms. By identifying your learning style and choosing the right resource, you can maximize your learning potential and achieve your goals. Whether it's a new language, programming, or cooking, the internet provides a wide range of resources to help you learn new skills. The platforms mentioned in this video are just a few examples of the many online learning resources available. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning today.